What's the meaning of club-footed? Club-footed. Club-footed.
Club-footed. Club-footed. Club-footed is a medical condition wherein the foot is twisted inwards and downwards, making it difficult to walk normally. The affected foot may also appear smaller and have a different shape compared to the other foot. This condition can be congenital or acquired and can affect one or both feet. People with clubfoot may need surgery or orthopedic devices to correct the position of their foot, allowing them to walk more easily and with less pain. Without treatment, clubfoot can lead to many complications, including difficulty walking, chronic pain, and arthritis.